the difference?
You tell me what the difference is.
In the bumper?
Just
The
look
grill.
at the front end.
The
Look at the grill.
I swear I don't see a difference.
Okay, so mine's a 12.
Okay, I see that grill piece is a little different. It goes straight.
His is like spread out.
Right.
Yeah, I like his though, like straight.
It's more
So,
aggressive.
but the reason why I think mine looks decent is because of the front lip. If I didn't have the front lip on there, it would
Can I hear it?
Yeah.
But it doesn't sound good when I rev it. But
Does it? Oh, this,
unless I drive around.
sure, why not? I got the mic on, so it's all good, bro.
Actually, you know what? I'll rev it here and then tell me what you think.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice, bro. Is that the so that's the cat back, eh?
Yeah, that's the axle back.
Axle back.
Where are you? The catback sounds way better.
And you got a lip on this one?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Serona front.
Oh yeah. Where'd you pick up that?
They're out in New York.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
So you gotta pay them, order it, pay them in US funds.
I'm telling you, the axle back is the way to go.
No, the catback is the way to go. The
Yeah, but then it's gonna grow as loud.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
The axle back.
Oh, nice.
No screen, no touch screen. I don't know if they're touch screen. No nav. But all eight buses, all black. It's like the big carbon fiber, like on camera on the No, I went with the catback. Either they want fucking 30, 35. Yeah. What's up, bro?